Hello students, today we are going to discuss a very interesting yet simple topic, work. So work is defined as force into displacement in the direction of force. Displacement in the direction of force. Work equals to. So if you apply a force on any body and it displaces from its own position, this is called work. For example, if we put a mass m on a table and applied a force capital F on this mass, and this displaces from this point to here somewhere in this point, and the displacement is d. Displacement is the smallest distance between two objects. So if we don't know what is displacement, displacement is smallest distance between 2 points. Smallest distance between 2 points. Okay, see, it is different from distance. Okay, so force into displacement is work done. Work done is equals to force into displacement. But a very interesting question arises here, that what if direction of displacement not in the force, or displacement is in not in the direction of force? So how will you handle it? So if, for example, there is a mass m and we applied a force this, and the displacement is in the direction of this direction. Okay, now how will we get to know that where this so if this is the angle theta between what, between the direction of force and displacement, then how we deal with this is we applied work done as is equals to, we apply work done is equals to force into displacement into, so cos theta, cos theta. So this is work done is equals to force into displacement into cos theta, where cos theta is, where theta is angle between, angle between force and displacement. Displacement. Okay, now let's talk about unit, especially SI unit. So units of force are, first unit is, which is SI unit, is joule. So you have noticed that joule is also energy, a unit of energy. In all kind of energies and work done, these all have the same unit, same dimensions, that is joule. One another commercial unit which is used in the packets of, let's suppose, kurkure or cracks, etc. Commercial unit is calories. When you purchase a packet of cracks or kurkure from the market, and if you have seen that there is a section where it is written as energy, and which is 551 kilocalories or calories simply. So it's calorie, and 1 calorie is equals to 4.18, or simply you can write it as 4.20 joule. Okay, 1 kilocalorie, kilo means 10 raised to power 3. So 1 kilocalorie means 4.13, and multiplied by 1000, that will be 14180 joule, or simply we can write it as 4200 joule. So 1 kilocalorie, this is the relation between calories and joule. So these are the units, and one simple CGS unit. CGS unit of work done is CGS unit is erg. And the relation between CGS unit and SI unit is joule is equals to 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to power 7 erg. 1 joule is equals to 10 raised to power 7 erg, or 1 erg is equals to 10 raised to power minus 7 joule. So these are the basic units of work done. That's it from my side. See you in the next class. Thank you very much for joining the class.